let's cut this asymmetric dress together. Make a straight line at the top of the paper to serve as the starting line and also the shoulder line. And we are going to be imputing all the vertical measurement on this paper. From the starting line, I'm going to impute my shoulder to waist measurement, which is 15 inches, and shoulder to hip, which is 24 inches. So I'm going to make use of what we have left for the full length. The full length is 40 inches, but I'm going to make use of what we have left. Then make all this point a straight line, just like this. Then from the center front, I'm going to impute my center back measurement to sleeve. Then at that point, I'm going to go down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Impute neck width, which is 4 inches, and neck depth, which is 3 inches, and I'm just going to use my freehand to make my neck curve, just like this. After making the neck curve, I'm going to use my ruler to make my shoulder slope, just like this. At the sleeve point there, I'm going to go down by 7 inches for my armhole. I will mark it and use my ruler to make it a straight line, and I'm going to label all the lines we have on this paper. Starting from the shoulder line, I will label the shoulder line, the armhole, the waistline, and the hip line, and also the full length of this gown. On the armhole line, impute round bust circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. While on the waistline, we're going to impute the round waist measurement also divided by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. On the hip line, impute round hip measurement divided by 4 also plus 2 inches seam allowance. Then we are going to join all those points using our ruler from the waist to the hip and from the waist to the armhole, just like this. Because of the ruch at the sleeve, so we are going to be adding extra inches to the sleeve. We only have 2 inches left on this paper, so we are going to be adding that 2 inches. But if you have more than that, go ahead and add up to 5 inches for this ruch. So I'm just going to slant it to the armhole, just like this. But as you can see on the picture, it's a bit curved. After slanting, I'm just going to use my freehand to curve it a bit, just like this. Then use my ruler to extend the hip line to the full length of this gown. I will label it the front piece and we'll move to the drafting of the back piece. Take note that your paper should be folded into 2. Then we are going to place the front piece on the back piece, just like this, leaving some inches for the zipper allowance. About 1 inch or 1.5 inch for the zipper allowance. And I'm going to just pin it down to keep it in place. With the use of my marker, I'm going to highlight the zipper allowance, just like this. Then cut it out with my scissors, just the way it is on the front piece, apart from the neckline. The neckline for the back piece and the front piece differs, so I'm just going to be cutting it just the way it is on the front piece, apart from the neckline. After cutting, I'm just going to pin down the lines I highlighted for the zipper allowance, just to keep the zipper allowance in place. After pinning it down, I'm going to cut out the neckline for the front piece, only for the front piece. I'm going to mark out the neck width of the front piece on the back piece, just like this, and I'm going to remove. I'll keep the front piece aside and I'm going to impute 1.5 inch depth for the back piece neckline. I'll use my freehand to make my neck curve and use my scissors to cut it out. I'll label it the back piece and I'll keep it aside and bring back the front piece. Open up the front piece and we are going to use our ruler to copy all the lines on the right side to the left side, just like this. At the left side, go down by 3 inches for the waistline. Then I'm just going to label it for better understanding. I will label it the right side and the left side. On the right side, I'm going to go down by 8 inches from the waistline. Then use my ruler to join the points slantedly, just like this. And as you can see in the picture, it's a bit curved, so we'll use our freehand to curve it a bit, just like this. After measuring the asymmetric waistline, the highest part that we have left, that's what we're going to use to cut out the length of the gathers or the ruffles that we have at the end. Yes, the part that we measure 3 inches below the waistline, that's why we are going to be measuring what we have left for the length of the ruffles we are going to be cutting out. From that 3 inches, we are going to measure downward to check what we have left for the length of the ruffles. I hope you understand. Then for the width, we are going to make use of about 2 to 3 yards. It depends on what you have and what is enough for you. 2 to 3 yards for the gathers, then we are going to cut it out. After cutting, we are going to bring back the back piece and we are going to rest the zipper allowance on the left side just like this. After folding it like this to rest on the left side, we are going to place the front piece and the back piece right side facing each other just like this. After placing it together perfectly, pin it down to keep it in place if possible. Then cut the asymmetric waistline on the back piece just the way it is on the front piece, just like this. And this is all for the drafting of this beautiful dress. I hope you understand and it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.